Hello and good morning. It's literally 1:09 p.m. where I am in New Jersey, and I said what I said. Good morning. Now, I know you saw a little critter walking into the screen for just a minute, not even 5 seconds, maybe less, 2 seconds, I don't know. Then he flew away. Now, you are probably wondering, who is that? That's Bill. Who's Bill? Bill Nye? Bill Nye the Science Guy? No, but I named him after him. That sentence made sense, right? Okay. Are you ready? Bill, 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 Bill. Bill is constantly, he's distracted right now. He just, that's Bill. He just flew from here to here in a matter of seconds. And he's just chilling with his books. He's actually a librarian. He loves books. He's an educated man. Proud of him. I love you, Bill. Say hi to Bill, y'all. Pride and Prejudice. Never read it. Watch the movie, though. Now Bill is just sitting down. He shit on my screen and said, okay, we'll call it a day. He does have a brother. I think it's a brother. Honestly, we don't know the sexes of these birds. We have 8 birds altogether. This is just one of them. We started out with 2 parakeets. No, that's a lie. We started out with 1, a blue one. And then my brother bought another one, a yellow one. And then my brother bought 2 lovebirds. He apparently became the king of the freaking jungle. The king of the rainforest. And he was like, let me just get all these birds, because I'm a bird man. I'm Birdman now. So now we have an infestation. And then those 2 lovebirds created 2 more birds. Now we have 6. The same birds that he bought gave birth to another 2. So now we have 8. And this is one of our newest additions, Bill. He does have a counterpart. He's green. And I asked my Instagram what we should name him. The green one. And some people said Ted. Some people said Tommy. Some people said Dollar. So, Dollar Bill. Dollar and Bill. Dollar Bill. I thought that was cute. I was like, do I want to call my bird Dollar? No. Dollar. Fuck. No. It's a cute idea. My friend also said Kill. Kill Bill. Oh my god. And then he said, maybe you should do like Kill Bill Volume 1, Kill Bill Volume 2. That is so long. Imagine calling your birds Volume 1 and Volume 2. Oh my god. My friends clearly are psychotic in the head. But look at him. He's so good. He's so cute. He just matches with the world. He has actually a beautiful fur coat to make. Just kidding. It's feathers. I love how I said fur when he's literally made of feathers. That was just a brain fart. These are his feathers. Look how beautiful. It's literally so many different colors. He's literally so gorgeous. Can you chill for just a second, please? No, don't fly, please. Please don't fly. But yeah, that's maybe I'll start a bird series. Meet my birds. I think he thinks I'm talking shit, but I swear I'm not. Baby, I just love you. Baby's sleeping. So, that's basically the end of this introduction to Bill. He doesn't have a last name. Doesn't need one? No. But yeah. Bye! Say bye, Bill. Say bye. You really was just chirping. Say bye. No? Nothing? Okay.